So Laura and I are being very conscientious to try and replicate the process that our clients go through when building a house so that we can better improve that process and experience it for ourselves. So yesterday afternoon we had a launch meeting over at Gentry HVAC, who does our work for us, and we discussed the heating requirements for our home, supply and duct locations, and the type of equipment that we're going to use. And in a very small house like this, the challenge is where to put all of the supplies and returns and how to trunk them from the lower level to the upper level. Well, we discovered that there wasn't much space to do that. This afternoon, I surmised that we're probably going to have to use up one of the spaces that Laura had dedicated for an art niche in our bedroom to be able to get supply air upstairs. And I'm not sure how that's going to go over, so we're going to find out here in a couple minutes. So, we met with Gentry last night. We were talking about getting supply air and return air up above our bedroom and the common space.
Yes.
Well, I think I found out where we can get it.
Where might that be?
You know that art niche that you wanted in our bedroom?
Yes.
This one right here?
You're going to tell me we can't have that?
I'm not telling you we can't have that, but I'm telling you that that would be the best location for it. Come up right here.
Okay, so it looks like there's enough room at the back side of the desk from Cole's room to be able to come up there.
Yeah, we just would not be able to have the niche. We've got the space, we just won't have the niche.
Okay.
But that would give us well-balanced air for a nice Energy Star climate.
Which is important. I know. All right, so that's a bummer that we have to lose the art
We'll
niche.
still have two more niches. We'll still have this one and this one.
So that will still give us a clear wall for artwork, which is fine.
Yeah.
We just won't have the niches.
Right. There you go. We can put art on it.
Okay.
All right. Well, I'll let Jeff know, and then
Okay.
we'll talk about it at the walkthrough.
All right.
So one of the great things about building local is that I get to visit all the jobs frequently. Today I'm over here at Rhododendron and I'm checking on mainland. Laura doesn't know that I'm here. And I'm specifically interested in the framing. So we've got all the framing up downstairs, and I wanted to show you that. We've got the full bathroom here with a 3-foot shower stall, toilet, and vanity. We've got a mechanical space here to my left, which is going to have the geothermal system. It's going to have the heat pump water heater, and it's going to have the ERV, the energy recovery ventilator. It's also got our passive radon system. In the back corner, we've got the future wine cellar, and we've got a really cool surprise that we're going to show you later on that towards the end of the project. In this corner here, we've got a great storage closet for all the junk that you just don't know what to do with. We're going to shove it back in there. And then the rest of the space here is the TV / media area, and we're going to have just a couple couches and a TV down here. In order to get this open and not have soffits, we had to do a lot of structural work. So you'll see right here a steel beam that John Dean has engineered, designed, built, and installed for us to be up flush with the floor system. There's another point load upstairs which you'll see that comes down right here with this steel beam that's going to carry the fireplace. And that is something that we added after John Petrie's design, so we're really excited to showcase that towards the end of the project. So right now I'm really pleased with what's happening, but we're getting ready to pour concrete outside, so let's go see what's happening out there. There's a lot of good stuff happening right now. Brad over there with Mountain High Plumbing is drilling out the side of the footing so that we can slide a drain in. It's going to go into the ICF wall where a shop sink is going in the art studio. The other guys are putting in the sewer line here that's coming outside of the monolithic slab. And our ICF guys are prepping the floor right now. In fact, the pump is setting up. We're going to see that happen live in just a second. So every project calls for its own type of foundation. And in the mountains, there's a lot of different options and different things you can do. In this scenario, we decided to go with an insulated concrete form wall. What that is it's a poured concrete wall with insulated forms that stay rather than get stripped later. So we're getting ready to pump them full of concrete. They've already been inspected. They've already got all the rebar and reinforcement in it. And they've already been tied off and tied into the house. the truck and the pump are on the other side of the house, and the truck is dumping concrete into the pump. The pump is pumping it up through this hose. And this guy here is holding the hose. He's got all the weight of the concrete and the force of the pump coming out of it. It's going to slowly fill up to about 4 feet, a 4-foot lift. Hey babe.
Hey, sweetie.
So, want something to drink?
Sure.
It's not alcoholic, but nonetheless, what's your whistle? So Eric and I finished the critical path for our project. As you know, that's the critical path for completion. We give all our clients to show when the project is expected to be finalized.
Okay, are we gonna get it by my birthday?
Well, probably not.
Probably not. How far off are we?
Well, we've got to be optimistic, but we have to be realistic as well. It's a renovation. As you know, we ran into a lot of foundation issues that we've got to correct. We've got some structural problems that we've had to adjust and modify, and so realistically, it's probably going to be at least a month after your birthday.
Can we not try to hurry that up?
We'll try, but as we tell our clients, it's got to be done right, so now we know what they go through.
Well, we can have a sleepover on my birthday.
That's right, we'll camp out. We'll see what we can do.
Okay, good.
All right.